Yeah, I ordered a 20-piece chicken nugget, and, I only got 10.
You only got 10?
Yeah.
Alright. Give me 1 second, please.
Alright.
Hello?
Yeah, come on, time's wasting, man.
Alright, do you have your receipt?
No, I threw it out.
You don't?
Yeah, I threw it out.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Nothing. Can I help you?
Yeah, I only got a 20-piece...
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, wait 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so, I ordered a 20-piece chicken nugget, but I only got 10.
Okay, do you know what time you came through?
What?
Do you know what time you came through?
About, like, 8, 9.
8, 9?
Yeah.
Do you have a receipt?
No, I threw it out.
Okay, did you come through the drive-thru or in the lobby?
The lobby, yeah.
The lobby? Okay, just give me 1 moment. So was there anything else on the order?
No, that was it.
Okay, just 1 moment.
Come on, time's wasting, man. Come on, man. How long does it take to get my order?
McDonald's is cheap. What's...
Yo, come on, man. I'm not...
Okay, I don't have just a 20-piece in my lobby. Are you sure you're calling the correct store?
Do you have big tits?
Please like and subscribe.